Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch Series 9 for workouts. To begin, simply open the workout app on your watch. You'll find a wide array of preset workout types, from outdoor walks to high-intensity interval training. You can choose an open goal for a flexible session or set specific targets like burning 500 calories or running 5 kilometers. It's incredibly intuitive to get started. As you exercise, your Apple Watch Series 9 continuously tracks vital metrics. You can see your current heart rate, the total calories you've burned, and how long you've been active, all in real time. Simply swipe across the screen to cycle through different data views. The watch is also smart enough to automatically recognize and prompt you to track common activities, ensuring you never miss recording a session. To tailor your workout experience, you can easily customize the metrics displayed on your watch. Go to the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, select Workout, and then Workout View to add or remove data like elevation gain or average pace. For advanced users, you can even build custom interval training sessions. Remember, the Action button on some models offers a quick shortcut to start your favorite workout. Once your workout is complete, simply swipe right on your watch screen and tap the End button. All your workout data is then seamlessly synced to the Activity app on your iPhone. Here, you can dive deep into detailed summaries, analyze your performance over time, and track your progress towards your fitness goals. This comprehensive data helps you stay motivated and continually improve your health journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.